So I'm gonna replace the U-bolts here on the rear suspension because this one snapped through the winter. So I'm gonna cut this and hopefully I can get the plate to drop out at the bottom. And you can see that right here, it'll be tweaked on it. If you look, like there's a gap here because it sort of rolled on it. So hopefully I got no problems here with stored energy or anything like that, but we'll find out. I tried busting loose with the impact, but as you can tell, this pallet truck is rusted as heck. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Got my new one sitting right here. I really like to get it swapped out, so that's good on the truck. And then I got a couple other things to work on, but my friends got their impact over here, so I tried it with the nice impact. So now I'll just cut it, and hopefully this plate just falls down, and I'll be able to put it back on. Simple, right? Famous last words. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna speed it up and we'll see what happens.